be doing this machine. I'm gonna show you maybe how to make it and maybe show. Nana, stop. Okay. So you see this handle. Anyways, if you're doing this and you don't, be sure it's long because I had to put it again. Anyways, let's see what's inside. I'm not gonna open it because you could see I got this spinny thing. Let's show you it. That's what's inside it. Hopefully you could see. It's kind of hard, but it gets easy. Let me go get the snack. I'm gonna show you how it works. Anyways, let's open the door. Love is an open door. Oh. Watch it, guys. There you go. And then this is a 25 cents. Right there. Let's see if you can see what's inside. Guess what's inside? A little box. So let's open it, I guess. Let's take these tape pieces off. This is the worst. There you go. See, there's this box, and I don't want to erase the tape out of stickiness. There you go. Yeah. And I got a handle here. I want to move quick. And don't forget to close it. Anyways, cool. I got snacks. Okay, let's see. Let's put a coin. Boop. What did we have? Anything, guys? Oh, we got a snack. See if you can see more. Get my first snack. Anything? Nope. Feel nothing. Let's see if I can hack this by spinning this a bunch of times. Whoa, another candy from a patient. Oh, cool, yay! Let's see. See if you can see the other one. Let me help it a bit. Okay, let's hack. Did it come out? Tell me if you see it, guys, because I want to hack this. Can we reach it, you guys? I want to paddle. Can you see it? Wait, I feel it. I think it got stuck. Anyways, that's... Oh. Let's put some items in. Help me. Infinite noodles. Ooh. Now let's make it nice and full. Cool. Let's see if it works. Oops, guys, oh, it's actually working. Let's make sure we can get crackers. Guys, I can't get it so good. Okay. My snacks are stuck. Let's go. Put this back inside. Let's make the door bigger. Nana, can you hold it for me? Nana, don't cover it. I know you're covered. Anyways, you guys, let's make it bigger, a bit bigger, because our snacks are fit for now. you go, guys. I can help you. Look, hopefully we can get our snacks. Yay! Nope, we got 2. Our door's like. Okay. Yeah, beach. Sure. Let's make sure this box is nice and full. Some good snacks.
When I go home, my teacher did take toy.
Oh, Nana got a little cheat sheet. Let's see. Did we get? Oh, we got a snack. Only one. Can I just re-put it? Ooh, it keeps on giving us 1. That's good. But let's see if we can get all of it. Okay, there's 1. Oops. I think it got stuck a bit. Because all of it is here. Let's put some here. Okay. Oh. Ooh. I see 1. Whoa. Okay, that's good. It's actually working. Just trying to.
When you're done writing the cheat sheet, hide it somewhere. Don't let your parents know.
Yeah. They will not. Yay. Anyways, the video ends right now. I gotta upload this or it will run out. Bye.